Good morning. Ooh, it is humid out here. Stuffy. I'm not used to this humidity. Yeah. Oh, Sammy. She says, hey, what about me? Hey, what about me? Yeah, we're getting out early again today. Hey, hello. You forgot something. You forgot something. Come here. We're getting out early because we're going fishing. 7:26 and we're fishing already. Yippee! Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. We've already seen 2 flop. So y'all get on the hook.
I guess we got away. Good morning, Frugal watchers.
Somebody has a fish.
Somebody has a fish. I saw it messing around her line. She didn't believe me.
Oh, it's gonna go into your line.
I hope it's a fish, not a turtle. Let's see what she brings up. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Pan bluegill. Nice size.
Pan size. You need, here.
Hi, Cam. He is a nice pan size.
Yes, he is.
So this is my minimalist tackle box this morning. This is all I brought with me. Some hooks and some weights and floaties. That's it. That's all you need. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Hey, you just watching me, baby girl. You can go up there with me? Hey, we're having some bacon. And it all curled up. Hate it when it does that. And biscuits and gravy. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this. See if we like it or not. So it calls for 1.5 cups of water, so that's why I have the water boiling on the stove. So. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Take out the little oxygen or absorber thingy. Boiling water, 1.5 cups. Sandy says, I want some of that, man. We'll see if that's enough. Stir it up. We're gonna make some gravy. Gravy. Ow, that's hot. Wow. And then we wait 5 minutes. Okay, I think it's been about 5 minutes. It said open, stir. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Biscuits and gravy. And then you let it sit for 4 more minutes. Okay, you want some biscuits and gravy?
Sure.
You want to look at it first?
No, I want to be surprised. What if we was having to eat this? I want to see.
We are having to eat it.
We are having to eat it. That's right. You've got a lot of leftovers.
Mmm, smells
Smell
good.
good?
Smells
Awesome.
like biscuits and gravy. Might need some
I need some
salt,
more biscuits.
pepper.
I think that's going to be good right there.
Well, there'll be more.
Mmm.
With some
Hey,
bacon.
a couple of bacon strips. Let's see my plate.
Well, you can't see it.
Can't.
I'll get a shot of it. Get your reaction here in just a second.
Okay. Maybe I ought to try it first, and I'll wait.
Be like, eh.
No, I'm gonna wait and see how this goes.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, and some bacon.
Bacon.
Hope I left it in there long enough.
This looks like a piece of hominy, and I'm not a fan of hominy, so I hope it tastes better than that.
It's gonna be a biscuit.
I could eat this every day. This is good.
Really? Is it good?
Has a really good flavor to it. Mountain House biscuits and gravy.
Mmm. That is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
The biscuit, it's kind of crunchy a little bit, but you get the inside of the biscuit like a biscuit.
Exactly. Tastes really good. I'm impressed.
And it's got sausage, I think. Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
I could put some pepper on it, but
I
it's
can
good by
taste the
itself.
pepper in this. Stir it up.
Mm-hmm.
See all the little pepper flakes?
Yeah. Pretty good. Fishing's hard work. I can't believe I just threw out, we've been fishing for 3 hours. I just threw it out and I got a fish. It acts like it's fixing to rain.
Yep. We were getting ready to go live and setting up, and all of a sudden this blew in.
I'm going to throw this out here in case when you go live I might catch a fish. That'd be cool. And I've caught a fish.
Bring it up. What you got?
The same little... Is that the same one?
Nah, that one looks pregnant.
Whoa, look at that, Sammy.
Woo-wee. See, let her kiss the fish.
Kiss the fish?
How are you keeping catching the bluegill?
I don't know. He's pretty.
Yeah, he is. Wait, let's get a close-up.
Wow, yeah, he is bigger.
Oh, yeah, he is.
Because I can't get my hand around him.
Let's get a close-up. Ooh, that's a pretty fish.
Well, that's 2.
That's 2.
I want a catfish.
How many do you have, Dubs? But I've been having fun.
Good girl.
This will be number 3 if she lands it. It's a swimmer. That looks like a cat.
No, it's still a bluegill.
Is it really?
So
I was looking at that, looked like a white belly. You must found a bluegill hole over there.
I guess so.
That's not the same one. Look how red it is on the bottom.
I know.
It's smaller too.